Welcome back to Profit Avenue. In today's video, I'll be talking about Opensea and how you can make money from this NFT marketplace. As always, I want to remind you that for almost all of our recommendations, you do not need any prior experience to get started. First off, what is Opensea? It's an NFT marketplace where you make money from selling, buying, or flipping NFTs. Keep watching to learn what Opensea NFT Marketplace is. Before we start, I have some good news for you. I will be giving away $1,000 in cash prizes and PayPal money this month to 10 subscribers. So that's $100 each as our way of saying thank you. To enter for the draw, here's the 3 easy steps to win the money. First, subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new videos. Second, like all of our videos by simply pressing the like button and number. Finally, and the most important step, is that I want you to count how many times I say the word money in the video. And I want you to comment down the number below while leaving a comment about why you like our videos. Make sure to do all 3 of these steps in all of our future videos for the entire month. And once again, 10 lucky winners will be announced every single month via our community post. Now let's get back to today's topic. Head over to Opensea.io. This is what Opensea looks like, and if you scroll down, you can see all the options you can do on the site. Whether you want to create and sell NFTs by creating your own collection, or add and list your already existing ones. You can also start by setting up your wallet, as you can see here. Before we move further, let me explain to you guys what NFTs are. So from here, you can see that NFT means non-fungible token. These are non-interchangeable digital data which you can own. These can be pretty much anything, like pictures, videos, audios, and other virtual items. Some refer to them nowadays as art or as a collectible. Pretty cool, right? Collecting can now be done online. Since the whole thing runs on blockchain technology, you can verify the NFTs you wish to buy. You'll know if it's an original uniqueness to your collection. The principle is just like collecting tangible collections. When you buy a painting, especially a famous one, you must first find out if it's the original or simply a replica. Having the original painting gives you so much more value than having a knockoff. The same goes for NFTs, where you can certify ownership and uniqueness of the item, which means NFTs are new collectibles. That said, a lot of people who started buying and selling NFTs have already earned money, even millions of dollars. One example is this guy, who sold an NFT for $69 million. Can you imagine? $69 million for a virtual item. Now that is a lot of money. So you can see with NFTs nowadays, they're getting very popular. It's a new way to make money. Now that you know what they are, let's look at some of these NFTs. Click the marketplace option at the top. Choose all NFTs, or if you want to view a specific type of NFT, you can also do this by clicking art, music, domain names, and many more. Over here, you can see some examples of the NFTs you can buy. At first glance, they can look weird. You're probably already wondering why they cost so much. The thing is, like any piece of art, someone is willing to buy them even if they are expensive. Also, NFTs can be valuable simply because of its creator. Let's search for the Mutant Ape Yacht Club, for example. Here you can see that this NFT is worth thousands of dollars. Why is that? Down here you can read about the creator and what makes this specific NFT special. For this NFT, it's part of the Mutant Ape Yacht Club, which is a collection of around 20,000 mutant apes that can only be created by exposing an existing bored ape to a vial of mutant serum or by minting a mutant ape in the public sale. So you can tell that there is really a technology behind the NFT art piece, which makes it worth a lot of money. The rareness and the creator of the NFT adds to the value of the NFT as well. For example, in music, a popular singer like, let's say, Rihanna could choose to list one of her new songs as an NFT. This means the NFT song is the only copy of it, making it the real deal, sold by the one and only Rihanna. That NFT piece will obviously be worth millions just because of the creator or artist alone. You can read from here that you can check out many collections, including from The Weeknd. Since they already have a huge audience, they can easily list their songs by selling limited copies of the NFT songs. And because there are only a few sold, the NFT becomes a rare find, making it worth, again, a lot of money. So if you're a fan of The Weeknd, you can buy, and if not, you can also simply buy one and wait for the price to go up for you to resell and earn your profit. Let's go back to all NFTs page. So, when exactly should you buy an NFT? Well, a good time would be when the NFT piece is still priced pretty low. Here's an NFT that only is worth a couple of dollars. You can buy this if you think it will be worth more soon or later. When it hits your target selling price, you can then sell it and make your money. Just click on the Buy Now button if you wish to do so, and the NFT will be uniquely yours. When the creator of the NFT blows up and becomes famous, the NFT's price will also go up, which then means you can sell it. Going back to the previous page, you can see on the left the filters portion where you can choose some keywords to help you find the kind of NFT that you like. You can choose the Buy Now option or even the On Auction filter where you can bid for the piece. You can also choose the New or Has Offers filter. Here, you can also browse through the collections made by certain people. Here are some famous NFT creators. Down below, you can also click on the other filters to help you with your search. Now that you know the concept of these NFTs, we can proceed to how you can make money from these. There are two ways. You can create NFTs of your own and sell them, especially if you already have an audience who's willing to buy your NFTs. You may choose to list them with a specific amount or put it into auction and let people bid their way up. You can also choose the second option, which is flipping, where you buy and flip the NFTs. It's the same concept as investing, since you'll be buying an NFT piece and selling it later when it's already worth more than the original price you bought it for. Let's try to find a piece that has been flipped before. So let's click this and look at the item history. So here you can see that the piece has already been bought and then sold at a higher price before. Now the current owner can still make money from this when the price goes high again. Flipping by buying and selling is currently where you can make the most money out of these NFT pieces, especially for those who are still starting out. Again, when should you buy an NFT? Consider buying one when you feel the NFT is undervalued or when you think the NFT's price will go higher sometime soon. What you can do right now is check out your favorite artists or any famous person out there and see if they're doing NFT work. Try to find out if they're selling some of their items as NFTs, which you can buy since these could go up in the future. As I've mentioned a while ago, the person behind the NFT is a big factor over how the price will go. If it's an NFT by someone famous, it's automatically a rare piece, which makes it extremely valuable. Chances are the price will blow up like crazy simply because of the creator. And that's how you can make money this 2021 from NFTs through the Opensea platform. Before you leave, why not check out our video on how to make money with PLR ebooks? It might just blow your mind how easy it actually is.